My gosh, I'm stuck in a forest. I don't know where to go. There's so much climbing and jumping around. Huh?
Arthur James Arnott and William Blanche Brain were the first to patent a drill press with an electric motor in 1889.
Oh,
Yeah.
where'd he go? Gosh, that guy was weird. I don't know what his problem with drill presses was, but okay.
Hey,
What the hell?
Arnott was born in Hamilton, Scotland. He received his education at the West of Scotland Technical College, Glasgow.
Huh?
Yeah.
What the heck? Where'd he go? Again? That guy was weird. He came out north twice and was stuck in the forest. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Hey,
What?
the point of the city electrical engineer in the year 1891. The years 1894 to 1901, he designed and managed the Spencer Street Power Station. Yeah,
Okay.
he did.
What the heck? He's gone again. Oh my goodness, this guy's weird. But he's giving me some good facts. Oh my goodness, I finally made it out of the forest. There's the forest right there. Oh my god. What the?
Arnott married a woman named Cornelia Ann, the daughter of former mayor in August 1889.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it scared me so much. Oh, that was. I don't know what happened there. Everything just went black.
Did you know that the drill press was designed to drill through rock and coal, so it needed to be relatively large to drill through? Yeah.
What the hell? What the heck? Sitting here mining Minecraft. Just playing Minecraft over here. Ooh, this is a good game. What? You?
The electric motor was made, allowing the drill press to be made. The first rotating electric motor made in 1834 by Moritz von Jacobi. 1884, Antonio Pesanotti invented the ring armature. Zenogram made the first commercially successful DC motors. When the electric motor was invented, there was a rush to power machine tools with electric motors, like drills.
Oh, he's gone. Minecraft, let's go. Haha. What? What? What the heck? Huh! Minecraft was scary enough. Force was too.
Hey! Drill presses consisted of powered drills that can raise or lower into a material, allowing for less force by the user. In 1917, the first trigger switch pistol grip portable drill was patented by Black & Decker. Pretty cool, huh?
Wow, I guess the drill press was beneficial to society as it allowed us to drill holes easier and complete work faster and more efficiently.